Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the IIYAMA monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable and manage the black boost. So, at first we have to click this menu button at the back of our screen, and now once again here we have to go down with the minus button or plus button to black tuner. We have to click the menu button on it, and here now it's disabled, but we can boost it up to 5 to disable and get rid of the blackness, and go with the minus, pardon me, not with this button, and go with the minus to decrease the oh goodness, this navigation is massacre. As you can see, -5 here we have now. And yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.